Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm super excited. It's that time of the month. Let's unbox our IPSY Glam Bag and IPSY Glam Bag Plus. We're gonna create looks with everything in both. So if you're not familiar, IPSY is the largest beauty subscription company in the United States. And for every month, depending on what tier or bag you wanna get, they send you hand-selected from them as well as personalized selections. Every single month in these cute bags, depending on what month it is, they change every month. So this is the Glam Bag. It retails for $13 a month and you get 5 full-size sample products. You get to choose one of the 5 and they pick the other 4. And then the IPSY Glam Bag Plus retails for $28 a month and you get 5 full-size products. 5 full-size products for $28. That comes out to $5.60 per product. I know the Glam Bag Plus this month for October alone is worth $156 worth of product. And in this one, you get to choose 3 out of the 5 products. This is why I love beauty subscription services. Not only are you obviously getting so much bang for your buck, but every single time it shows up every month, it's like Christmas. And I think it just breaks you out of your comfort zone. You obviously get to pick things in each bag, but the stuff you don't get to pick is maybe stuff you would never think to buy or you just may be intimidated by, but now you have it and you can play with it and it may be something you end up falling in love with or discover. It's just a great affordable way to discover new products without the huge monetary commitment. So thank you so much to IPSY for sponsoring today's video so I can bring you this content, unbag everything, and do a look with both of them. And if you guys are interested in checking out IPSY, I will leave a link in the description box below. But without any further ado, let's dive into these bags and create a beautiful look. So first up in our IPSY Glam Bag, we have Youth to the People Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. When I tell you I have gone through bottles of this. This is one of the best cleansers on the market. I love this stuff. Youth to the People is an amazing brand. So many of their other products are incredible. This is like one of their holy grail staples, so that is amazing. Next, we have the KOKIE Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. So far, this is everything I've tried and love. I love KOKIE. Their body butters are incredible. Their moisturizers are incredible. Let's open this. And the body butters are to die for. I went through an entire like vanilla one over the summer. Oh my god, they smell so good. I love these because they're not greasy at all. I've been on like a tattoo journey getting new tattoos, and after they like healed and I can put like regular moisturizers on them, I have been slathering this on. Oh my god, this is something you would love. All right, next up we have from Dito. This is the Magic Feather Intense Mascara. Very excited to try this. We're gonna set this aside for our look. And next up we have a Bare Minerals Mineralist Long Lasting Matte Liquid Lipstick. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you. That is the color swatched. This is in the shade Spirited. And lastly, in our IPSY Glam Bag, we have from Beauty Creations, the Hot Fire Eyeshadow Palette. Love this. Sorry, I'm already swatching. I couldn't help myself. This has such a beautiful neutral color story. This really would be like a one and done palette for every day, especially. That is just 2 of the shimmer shades swatched, and my god, are they beautiful. All right, now for the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. God, I'm ready for this. First up, we have a brush set from MOTD. I have used their brushes before, and they are quality. So we have the F777. This is literally perfect for contouring. And then we have the F555 brush, an amazing stippling. Brushes like this are completely like dual purpose. You could honestly use these for powder under the eye, powder on the face. You could use these for blush. Now we have a KVD Tattoo Pencil Liner. Oh my god, KVD's eyeliner formula is bomb. When I was at Sephora, people would always come in and ask, what is an amazing eyeliner that is not going to transfer on me, has good pigment, and we would always bring them to KVD. This is specifically in the shade Vendetta Green. Ooh, that is really pretty. It's in this like beautiful deep forest green. Now we have from Shades by San, this is the setting spray. That is awesome. I don't think I've ever tried anything from them before. This is a setting spray infused with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ginseng. Your skin will feel plump, hydrated, and refreshed. Okay, loving that. Now we have from Hey Honey, this is the Be Clear Skin Purifying Bee Propolis Drops. I hope I'm saying that right. This is what the bottle looks like. Okay, that is adorable. So if I'm reading this correctly, it says use 1 or 2 drops by itself all over or as a spot treatment. So it's an innovative oil-free formula designed for truly complex skin. It has a blend of bee propolis, God, someone's gonna read me. Hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and another ingredient I can't pronounce. And it is the first step towards clear, balanced, and blemish-free skin. So this seems like an amazing product for acne-prone skin, or even keeping acne at bay. Wow, I can't wait to try this, especially if I get a breakout, like as a spot treatment. And last but not least, we have from PYT Beauty. This is the Faux Skin Bronzer Duo. So this is what the packaging and the inside looks like. It looks like one side is matte and the other side has a little bit of a sheen to it. But ooh, the color is a beautiful, like, neutral tone. And the other side definitely has a very subtle sheen to it. I don't even think it would read on camera, but it's a little more cool tone. So that is gonna be awesome to use and the color looks perfect for me. So let's go ahead and dive into all this and create a look. All right, I went ahead and filled my brows with my e.l.f. brow pencil and carved them out and primed my lids with my Anastasia Magic Touch Concealer. And now I'm gonna set that concealer with a little bit of my Sigma Soft Focus Loose Setting Powder in Vanilla Bean. Now let's dive into the eyeshadow palette from Beauty Creations. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Toast to start, which is this beautiful transition shade. And we are gonna start working this into the crease. Okay, wow, that blended like butter. That was effortless. Okay, now we're gonna deepen things up further with this beautiful warm brown in the shade Blaze. And this we're gonna put on the outer half of the lid to start, a little bit into the crease, but I don't want to bring this as high as our first shade. And I am gonna pack this all over the lid because I think we're gonna do like a beautiful bronze smoky eye. I am like truly stunned at how easy these are blending out. This is what I mean about IPSY. Like, who knows if I ever even would have tried Beauty Creations, and I genuinely don't think I've used such a beautiful matte shade. It blends out in 2 seconds. Okay, now I'm gonna take this beautiful bronze shade in Miami. Oh my God. And we're gonna press this out on the inside, like 2/3 of the lid. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. I'm just taking the brush we've been blending our mattes out with and just running this in that crease to make sure this shimmer shade marries into the mattes. All right, and lastly, I'm gonna go in with this real deep dark brown in the shade Smoke. And we're gonna use this to add a little more darkness and dimension on the lash line and the outside half of the lid. And once everything is off my brush, I'm just going to bring it up a little bit onto the brow bone. You can bring it up as high as you want, depending on how smoky you want to make the look. All right, now we're going to go in with the KVD liner, which, by the way, I scrubbed my hands, and look how long the Bare Minerals lipstick and the liner lasted. Like, I'm not kidding about the KVD eyeliners. So we're not going to line the whole top eye. We're actually just going to use this on the outside half, bringing it only about halfway in. This is a trick I recently made a video about and talked about that is great for mature skin, because if you keep your liner more focused on the outside half of the eye and don't bring it all the way in, this will actually give much more lift to the eye. So see how the liner on just the outside half and leaving the inside open actually opens up the inside of the eye and gives more of a lift, rather than bringing that liner all the way in is really going to drag down and make it look heavy and just lose the brightness that we created in there. All right, so now I'm just going to clean up this edge with a cotton round and a little remover. I've said it a million times on my channel, but that is why I start with my eyes, so I can clean everything up and get a nice beautiful shape. Now I'm going to go in with the mascara from Dido. This was called the Magic Feather Intense Volume Mascara. Ooh, that's a big wand in that tiny little packaging. That is what it looks like. It's more of a plasticky hard brush, but I love that it's curved. Okay, that is one coat of the mascara on this side. This side has nothing on it. So I really enjoyed that mascara. I'm not the best judge of mascaras. I always wear lashes because my lashes are just very underwhelming and I feel naked without them. But that was actually very nice. It was a big brush, but it was plasticky. Normally plastic brushes that are spiky are very thin, but that actually was like a full thick brush, but it was plastic. And before I go in with lashes, I'm gonna take a little bit more of the KVD liner and I'm just gonna tight line the top here. All right, now I'm gonna pop on some lashes. These are from Makeup and Cocktails, a great indie brand. They have such beautiful lashes. These are in the cut, hung over. This is what they look like. All right, now we're gonna go in with the bronzer from PYT Beauty, and I'm gonna use the MOTD F777 brush. Press in, tap off the excess, and we're just gonna press this in, giving a light bronze to the face. I'm mixing the matte and the satin formulas together because the satin is so subtle that it really is not doing much. I just think it's gonna add like a nice, healthy glow to the skin. Wow, this is really pretty. It's blending out beautifully. It's not patchy at all. The color is really nice too. It's a beautiful neutral tone. It's not too warm, which I really like for a bronzer. But I also love the finish, that it's that duo like matte satin. So depending on your skin type, you could pick, but like I said, I'm mixing the two and I'm loving the finish. Looks beautiful. All right, let's finish up the lower lash line. I'm gonna take this shade Hot Spot and run this on the lower lash line all the way to the inside. All right, now I'm gonna take a little bit of Flames and Blaze mixed together, and we're just gonna put this on the lash line. And I brought that in just as far as the first shade, but closer to the lash line, not quite as smoked out. Now I'm gonna take the Kat Von D liner and run this in the waterline. Wow, the green looks so pretty in person with these warm chocolate browns. And now on an angled liner brush, I'm gonna take the shade Smoke, which was the darkest shade we used, and very tightly run this against the lashes, almost blending into the green KVD liner. Now we're gonna take the Dido mascara and just do a little mascara on the bottom lashes. I especially loved curved wands for the bottom lash because I take the arch of it and go in, and I know that the edges are not gonna hit my skin. All right, now we're gonna go in with the Bare Minerals Mineralist Long Lasting Matte Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, I like the doe foot on this. It has a little 90-degree angle in it, which is really nice for hugging the lips as you're going around. Ooh, okay coverage. It is really easy to get such clean lines. Oh my god, how funny does that look? Wow, this lipstick is gorge. All right, and last but not least, we're gonna go in with the Shades by San, the setting spray. Let's go ahead. Ooh, look at that mister. All right. Ooh, that mister's good. I love a good equal spray. Now, as always, I take my beauty sponge and just press that setting spray into the skin. All right, guys, and this is the finished look using our IPSY bags. I'm obsessed with this look. The eyeshadow palette is awesome. This is such a good everyday, like neutral, wearable, amazing. This setting mist, I obviously want to see how it holds up on the skin. It made the skin look beautiful. And the mister is erotic. Bronzer, loved, beautiful neutral tone, awesome finish. This minimalist lipstick is gorgeous. Like, for a matte liquid lipstick, it's not settling in my lips at all. It's not sticky. Like, it doesn't have that weird texture matte lipsticks have. Like, there's no, you know, it's totally dried down. It almost gives a blurred effect to the lips, but I also have to say, I never would have picked a color like this for myself. I never wear colors like this. You guys know I always wear nude lips. But that is the thing about IPSY that I love so much. Just sitting down and playing with what you get every month is so fun. It gets you out of your comfort zone. I never would have worn this lipstick. This whole look, honestly, is very different for me, but I ended up loving it. I think it's so fun to try different stuff. So like I said, guys, if you want to check out IPSY, there is a link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was fun. I hope you like the look. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel. And if you are already subscribed, hit the little notification bell and you'll be notified every single time I post. Wherever you guys are, I hope you are happy, safe, and healthy, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.